Good morning, my handsome and pretty little Cobras, and welcome back to the Cobras nest. For those who are here new, my name is Mignon Cobra and I make minimalism videos. Today is moving day! Woo! If you guys have seen my other videos, you guys saw that I got rid of a lot of stuff. So right now, Will and we're going to be moving our stuff from his family's place and we're going to be moving into our apartment. So yeah, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. I don't know, I figured this would be fun. So I always feel like my stuff is always like not that fun, but I like to film it because I love my life. So I figured I'd take you guys with me. I'm going to show you guys my outfit, what that looks like. Okay, let me try the other way. This is the OTD that I was gonna wear to film TikTok videos. Ladies, we can't be expected to wear a mask and a bra, so let's just free the titties, protect the city, free the breasts. Where's the rest go?
Protect the rest.
Protect the rest. Can we try that again? Except we're gonna move, and Will was like, "What are you wearing? Like, you're gonna get your clothes all dirty." So let me change with the power of editing in 3, 2, 1. Bam! Yeah! 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 Okay, sorry. But yeah, this is my outfit for moving. Looks super casual, super cute. I've definitely put on a lot of weight and I'm very genetically blessed because most of it just goes to my chest. So I'm really happy about that. Yeah, ladies looking so full. It's like a free boob job. Anyway, I know, totally irrelevant. But I'm going to be taking you guys along for the video. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Let's get it. Let's go. Woo! Okay, we're inside the house, so I'm going to be showing you guys an empty house tour right now while everything is still empty, so I'm going to be showing you guys that right now. Ta-da! This is pretty cool, don't you guys think? That's cool, they put them on Stera there. I guess I'm going to be a real minimalist YouTuber now. And here's the kitchen, looks really nice. Even has like a really nice backyard. Show you guys. I'll probably be filming some TikTok videos there. Show you guys the rest of the house. Gotta be Asian and take my slippers off. So they have some furniture already. They have this table, which is pretty cool. Looks just like a simple IKEA table. This is I's room. They already have some stuff furnished, like a table and a chair. And I don't know, I guess like a, what do you call that? Drawer or something? And then over here, this door goes to the tenant's house. I mean the landlord's house. Storage room that's locked. This is Will and I's room. Oh, it already has a desk, which is not bad. And it has a chair. And it has a side table. That's pretty good. And a mirror. I'm going to be able to film my OTDs here. Pretty good. And the bathroom. That's what the bathroom looks like. Really nice. I like this like marble tiling going on. And in here is the washing machine. So that's pretty good. And the furnace.
Hi, you.
That's so Asian, like squatting and cleaning. Alright, so what are we doing now?
Moving.
Yay! Are you having fun? Yeah! Alright, let's move. Okay. So I'm gonna put all my stuff into the drawers. I already wiped down the drawers and everything, so they are good to go. Yeah, pretty good. So if you guys want to see like, yeah, Will's side of the closet, my side of the closet, pretty good. Okay, so there you have it. That is us moving as usual, as minimalist. It's super easy to move stuff, just like take it in one go. So if you enjoyed this video and you wish to help out my channel, you can do so by checking out my Patreon page. I post weekly vlogs there, monthly vlogs there. And if not, you're not really interested in that, then just help me out by giving this video a thumbs up, a like, and a subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!